as artists, what inspires us? I think one thing that inspires us is nature. Myself and plenty of the artists that I know, nature inspires us. It's the organization of nature. It's the resilience of nature. It's the freshness. It's the growth and the rebirth and the constant reinvention, and it also helps keep us grounded and stabilized and curious. And I'm saying this as I'm walking around this beautiful pond, walking a dog, and just thinking about like how we're inspired, how we are pulled forward, and how we continue to grow and nurture ourselves. And there's this incredible way that nature is organized and just naturally, and has a beautiful just progression that is constant, consistent, and just so incredibly lovely. And so one of the things that I'm doing later on this month, in the month of July, during the beautiful summer here in Florida, is I'm putting on a webinar for artists and how to become more organized. I've decided to offer a free webinar later on this month, Tuesday, July 29th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to talk about 3 ways to keep an artist more organized so that they can enter their shows, they can have everything all together whenever they have conversations with collectors, whenever they are trying to remember all of the different types of art that they have, remember the pricing, the sizes, just all the different ways to stay successful. So please join me Tuesday, July 29th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my next webinar. 3 ways to stay more organized as an artist. I'll see you soon.